dear student, how are you all? You all are fine? Okay, so dear student, I Joey Singh and I welcome you all in a maths online class. So in the previous class, what I have taught you? I have completed problem set 5B, that is division chapter. Okay, from unit 5, that is division, and I have completed problem set 5B. So today I am going to start a new problem, that is a problem set 4C. Okay, so first of all, take out your maths book, your notebook, and also take out your stationery box. Okay. Problem set 5C. Okay, problem set 5C. Now I hope you all have completed the problem set 5B in your book and your notebook both. So please do it. Okay, and complete the problem set on time. Okay, and also mention the date, as today's date is 1st October 2020. Okay, so today's date also you have to mention in your book as well in your copy. Okay, now take out page number 67. Okay, page number 67. Now first let me explain you that if we divide, okay, if we divide any number by 1, okay, तो the quotient is the number itself. जब भी आप 1 से divide करते हो या in previous chapter I have told you कि whenever you multiply 1 with any number, the number will come itself, है ना. जो number आप 1 को अगर किसी से multiply करते हैं तो वो number आपका आता है, same number आता है ना. So same, whenever you multiply, whenever you divide, okay, any number by 1, the quotient is always the number itself. Okay, now see here, like suppose you divide 4 divided by 4. Okay, suppose you divided the same number. Okay, आप same number को 4 divided by 4, तो quotient is 1 itself. Okay, तो quotient इसमें क्या आएगा? 1 आएगा. Now see here, here is 4 and I have written here 4. In 4 का टेबल में 4 कितने टाइम्स में आता है? तो 1 टाइम्स में, तो 1 I have written here. Okay, तो 4 माइनस ये 0, तो 1 is what? It is what? It is a quotient. Okay, it is a quotient. ठीक है, ये quotient है. तो if we divide any number by 1, the quotient is the number itself. Okay, the quotient is the number itself. Now see, now if we divide any number by 0, अगर आप किसी भी नंबर को 0 से डिवाइड करते हो तो quotient will be 0. Means see here, if you divide 5 divided by 0 is equals to 0. Means अगर आप 5 को 0 से डिवाइड करोगे तो quotient हमेशा क्या आएगा? Quotient always comes 0. Okay student, 0 means or 0 divided by 5 अगर आप करते हो then also it comes 0. Okay, then also it comes what? 0. Okay, तो got it? 4 divided by same number से जब आप divide करते हो तो quotient हमेशा 1 आता है, and whenever you divide by 0, the quotient will be always 0. Okay, now let's see the exercises. Let's see the exercises. Fill in the box. Number 1. Fill in the statement true. Okay. Now see, number one, 0 divided by 7 is equals to what? Number 2, 13 divided by dash is equals to, is equals to 13 divided box. I am making here box. Okay. 13 divided by dash is equals to 13. Number 3, box divided by 5 is equals to 1. Number 4, box divided by 12 is equals to 1. Okay. Number 5, box divided by 26 is equals to 0. Number 6, 4 divided by box is equals to 4. Number 7, box divided by 8 is equals to 0. Number 8, 8 divided by 1 is equals to dash. Number 9, 8 divided by box is equals to 8. Okay. It is given on page number 67. Okay. Page 67. Now see here. I have told you कि 0 को आप किसी भी नंबर से डिवाइड करते हो तो क्वेश्चन जो होता है आंसर मीन्स वो क्या आएगा? क्वेश्चन ऑलवेज कम्स व्हाट? 0. क्वेश्चन ऑलवेज कम्स 0. ओके. नाउ 13 divided by dash is equals to 13. So what you have to do? यहाँ पे देखिए क्वेश्चन सेम आ रहा है. Whenever you divide a number by 1, the quotient always comes the number itself. Okay. So here you are going to divide by 1. Okay. Now dash divided by 5 is equals to 1. Okay. So 5. Here you can do the multiply here. अगर क्वेश्चन 1 आ रहा है तो means you are dividing 5. Okay. 5 को आप 5 से डिवाइड कियो then the quotient comes 1. Okay. Now 12 dash divided by 12 is equals to 1. क्वेश्चन आपका यहाँ पे 1 आ रहा है. Okay. So means here is what? 12. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? 12. Okay. Now dash divided by 0 means here it comes what? 0. 0 है तो means here 0 divided by 26 comes 0. Now 4 divided by dash is equals to 4. So 4 को जब भी आप क्वेश्चन सेम आ रहा है means you are dividing by 1. ये और ये जब सेम आता है तो means you have to write down 1 here. Okay. Now see, dash divided by 8 is equals to 0 means quotient is 0 then you and here you are dividing by the 0. Okay student. Now see, 8 divided by 1 is equals to 8 को जब आपने 1 से डिवाइड किया है तो क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? नंबर itself this 8. Okay. Now again 8 divided by dash is equals to जब ये क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे सेम आ रहा है then you are dividing by the 1. Okay. So do it in your book student. Done, student? It is very simple. Okay, so do it fast. Okay, now student, your problem set 4C. Only this much questions are there in your book. Okay, now come to the next page. Okay, page number 68. Problem set 5D. Okay, check out page. Now come to problem set 5D. Okay, page number 68. Okay student, page number 68. Now see, find the quotient with the help of multiplication table. Here what you have to do, here you have to find the quotient. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आंसर फाइंड करना है आपको, but by using the multiplication table. Okay. Find the quotient by using what? Multiplication table. Okay. For this you have to know the table from 2 to 20. Okay, इसके लिए आपको 2 से लेकर 20 तक का टेबल लर्न होनी चाहिए. And previously also I have given you to learn the table from 2 to 20. Okay, so always revise that table. Okay student, now see how you are going to do. Number 1, 27 divided by 3 is equals to dash. Okay, it is made here. Okay, ये बना हुआ है, आपको इसको करना है like this. Now see, now in 3 के टेबल में 27 कितने टाइम्स में आता है, that you have to write here. So here you can write 3 into 1 is 1, 3 into 2 6, 3 into 3 9, 3 into 4 12, 3 into 5 15, 3 into 6 18, 3 into 7 21, 3 into 8 24, 3 into 9 is equals to 27. So the last one, see here, last one 9 times means 3 के टेबल में 27 कितने टाइम्स में आता है? In how many times 27 comes in 3's table? In from 9 times. ठीक है, 9 टाइम्स जब आप 3 का टेबल काउंट करोगे then it comes in 9 times. Okay, so like this you have to do okay this question, multiplication table. This is the multiplication table and using this method you have to solve this problem. Okay student, so do it. Okay, now see question number 2. Question number 2. Okay, 48 divided by 6 is equals to dash. Okay, so here also you have to use the multiplication table, then you have to solve this. Okay, now see 6 into 1 is equals to 6, 6 into 2 is equals to 12. 6 into 3 is equals to 18. 6 into 4 is equals to 24. 6 into 5 is equals to 30. 6 into 6 is equals to 36. 6 into 7 is equals to 42. 6 into 8 is equals to 48. Means 6 in 6 table, how many times comes 48? It comes from 8 times. Okay, 8 times जब आप count करोगे, then it comes 48 in a 6 table. Okay, so like this only you have to solve the rest question, because it is a multiplication table and you have to know the table from 2 to 20. Okay, then only you will solve this question. The 2 questions I have given, means I have solved, and rest you have to solve in your notebook. Okay, do homework. Problem set 5D in your notebook. Okay, it is very simple student, only you have to write down the table. Okay, and कितने times में ये आंसर आ रहा है. Okay, only this you have to do, so do it fast and also note down the homework. Okay, so I hope you all have written the homework and the classwork today. Now on the top, what you have to mention the date. Okay, always mention the date on the top, and please do practice of the previous chapter. Okay, so till then, bye, take care.